WhatsApp has officially introduced voice calling for the WhatsApp Business API. This means customers can now directly call businesses from inside WhatsApp. Hi, I'm Sam, WhatsApp enablement expert from Cunnekt. We work with businesses across industries, helping them manage customer communication on WhatsApp at scale. So today, I'm going to break down how WhatsApp business calling works, setting up voice calling on Cunnekt, and how you can use it to grow your business. First, let's clarify something. This is not normal WhatsApp calling via Messenger or business app. This feature is designed specifically for businesses using the WhatsApp Business API. Earlier, businesses could only chat with their customers. Now, they can do both inbound and outbound voice calls. This makes WhatsApp a complete communication platform for businesses at scale. Voice builds trust much faster than chats. And all of this happens natively inside WhatsApp without app switching. Now let me show you how to enable voice calling for your WhatsApp Business API number via Cunnekt. Once you log into your account, click on Settings, and then go to Channels. Here, you'll see the list of all your active channels. Select the relevant WhatsApp channel, click on Configure, and then open the WhatsApp Calling tab. Please note, your business must have a minimum messaging limit of 2,000 conversations in 24 hours to enable voice calling. On this page, you'll see four main options: API calling, call icon visibility, calling hours, and callback permission. Let's go through them one by one. First, API calling. This activates voice calling on your WhatsApp number. Without this, calling will not work. Next is call icon visibility. This defines whether the calling icon should be displayed on your WhatsApp profile. And this is a very important tool when you don't want open calling. This means customers cannot randomly call you. You decide when voice conversations should happen. We will discuss later how you can receive incoming WhatsApp calls without displaying the call icon. Now let's talk about calling hours, also known as business hours. Calling hours do not hide the call button. If call visibility is turned on, the icon will still appear. But when a customer clicks it outside your working hours, the call will not connect. Instead, they will see your business timing message. This business is currently not available for calls. Please call during working hours. So calling hours are about setting expectations, protecting your team, and avoiding missed calls. Finally, we have callback permission. This is a very important setting because on WhatsApp, businesses cannot randomly call customers. Every outgoing call requires explicit permission, and this setting allows you to automatically collect customer consent when a customer calls you. This makes follow-ups much easier and fully compliant. We will learn more about other ways to get calling permissions at later stage in this video. Now that our setup is complete for this WhatsApp number, this is where things start getting really interesting. Because this is where Cunnekt transforms simple voice calling into scalable, enterprise-grade calling, with intelligent routing and smart assignment logic. For this, go to Conversation Management option and choose Call Assignment Settings. As you can see on the screen, we've divided routing into two clear scenarios. First, when a contact is not assigned. And second, when a contact is already assigned. This is important because new leads and existing customers should not be handled in the same way. Let's start with unassigned contacts. These are usually new leads or first-time callers. Here, you can choose between three workflows. First is Ring All. In this mode, every incoming call is alerted to all team members at the same time. Whoever answers first gets connected. This works very well for small teams of 2 to 4 members. Second is Ring Selected. Here, calls are routed only to a predefined group of team members. For example, here you can choose which member's app or web should ring for an incoming call. They could be your senior sales team members or front help desk. Third is Ring Round Robin. In this workflow, calls are distributed one by one across selected team members in sequence. Each new caller goes to the next available agent. This helps balance workload and prevents agent burnout. Now let's look at what happens when a contact is already assigned. This usually means an ongoing customer or an existing conversation. Here again, you get flexible options. First is Ring Assigned. In this mode, the call goes directly to the agent who already owns the contact. This ensures continuity. The customer speaks to the same person every time. Apart from that, you can also use ring selected or ring round robin here as well, using the same logic we just discussed. This helps you handle edge cases for select businesses where connecting with a signed team member is not required. So with Cunnekt, you're not limited to one routing rule. Cunnekt ensures every call reaches the right person at the right time with minimum delay. One more important thing here is what happens when a call is not picked. Inside Cunnekt, contact assignment follows your existing chat assignment rules, so there's no confusion about ownership. And when a call is picked, by default, the contact is automatically assigned to the agent who answered the call. This ensures instant accountability, no manual handovers, and no follow-up gaps. And if your business needs a different workflow, you can always customize this behavior from the settings. Now let me show you how this works in real life. I'll walk you through the entire flow from first message to incoming calls and business-initiated calls. Here, you can see a new message from a customer. Let's start with replying to the chat. Right now, for my business API number, the call icon visibility is turned off, so the customer cannot directly call us. This is intentional for this demo because a business may not want open calling at every stage. Now, I want this customer to call me. So instead of enabling open calling, I'll send them a controlled call invitation. I'll click on the attachment option here and select Request a Call. As you can see, this opens the Request Call pop-up. Here, I can type my own message or use the pre-filled message. And I also have an advanced option for message call button visibility. This lets me control how long the call button in the message will remain active. For example, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 day, or more. This helps us manage incoming calls properly. Now I'll click on Send Call Request. This is how the message looks for the end customer. They see a clear Call Now button inside WhatsApp. When the customer clicks this button, a WhatsApp voice call is initiated. And instantly, we receive an incoming call alert inside Cunnekt based on the call assignment settings we discussed earlier. On Cunnekt, you can see the incoming call here. I'll just click on the Accept icon. And now, the call is connected between our team member and the customer. Simple. No switching apps. No external dialer. Everything stays inside WhatsApp. Now let's look at outgoing calls. As we discussed earlier, outgoing calls require explicit customer permission. If I click on the call button here and permission is not available, I'll see a warning message. This tells me that I need approval first. So I'll click on Request Permission. This opens the permission request pop-up. Again, I can use the pre-filled message or write my own. I'll click on Send. Now let's see how this looks for the customer. They receive a message with Grant Permission option, clicking on which they can choose between Always Allow Calls, Temporarily Allow Calls, or Deny the request. Temporary permission currently gives calling access for 7 days. Here, I'll select Temporary Permission, and you can see the expiry date clearly mentioned. Now that permission is granted, you'll notice the call button has turned green. This means we are allowed to call the customer. So I'll click on it. And now, the customer's WhatsApp starts ringing. Once they accept, the call is connected. And we're on a live WhatsApp call. After the call, you can see call logs inside the chat. You can see them inside the contact drawer. And you can also access complete call history inside Activities. This gives managers full visibility and teams full accountability. So this is how Cunnekt turns WhatsApp calling into a structured, controllable, and scalable system. Not just calls, but a complete workflow. If your team is handling leads or support on WhatsApp, we'd be happy to show you how this fits into your workflow. You can request a demo with our team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.